Hello everyone, welcome to Petpooja Payroll tutorials. Every time you add a manager, an HR person or a team lead, they need a specific set of rights. Setting these up one by one every single time takes time. With Petpooja Payroll, you can create a rights template once and reuse it for everyone in that same role. To do so, from the dashboard, click on User Management in the left panel. Then click Manage Rights Templates. This is your template library. You will see all the templates already created with their names, the number of people assigned, and when they were last modified. To make a new one, click Create Template at the top right. A panel slides in from the right. First, give your template a clear name, something like Team Lead, HR Rights, or Manager Rights, so you can recognize it later. Below that, you will see the full list of rights. Now, just tick the boxes for whatever this role should be allowed to do. Once you're happy with the selection, click Create. You will see a template saved successfully message, and your new template will sit right at the top of the list, ready to be assigned. Need to make changes later? Just click the three dots on the right side of any row. You can edit or delete the template anytime. Build it once, use it many times. Try this feature today.